Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with viral question, but before that, shout out to our top challengers. These are maths masters. Comment or answer and feature here. So question is 3 divided by 5, like 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. This is very tricky question, but you have to solve by your own, and if you fail, don't worry, I will solve step by step. So pause this video and comment your answer. I am going to solve this. So here what we have, like here two operations are there, division and multiplication, and both have the same priority. And in that case, like we have to write PEMDAS, and both have the same priority. So we will solve left to right. So we have to solve like this. Okay. So many solve like 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 into 5 by 3, like this. 5 by 5 both cancel out and answer is 3 by 5. So this is the wrong way. Okay, we will solve it in a right way, like 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. So PEMDAS we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve for this part. Okay, so we will solve this, and to solve this we can also solve with the help of KCF rule, like keep, change, flip. Okay, so we will keep this 3 by 5 as it is, and division is changed to multiplication, and 3 by 5 will become 5 by 3. Okay, now we have to write whole equation. Now we will solve for this 3 times 3 and 5 by 5. So what we have get, 1 by 1 into 5 by 3. So when we solve this, we will get 5 by 3 by our answer, which is differ from 3 by 5. Okay, coming to the next question, what we have, 12 divided by 2 parenthesis is 3. Okay, so if you think like 12 divided by 3 times 2, that is 6, and 12 divided by 6 which gives 2 result, then you are wrong. So comment your right answer here and try to solve by your own and feature our shortcut list. I will solve with the help of PEMDAS. So when we see here, we can see here 12 divided by 2 parenthesis close, like this, and division or multiplication, this is also a multiplication here, so we can solve from left to right. So first we will solve for this. Okay, when we solve 12 divided by 2, we will get 6. Okay, this part into 3, and this is nothing but 6 into 3, and 6 into 3 it is 18. So here right answer is 18. Okay, comment your answers and try to feature in shortcut list, and watch this very tricky questions there. Thanks for watching.